Check this out, Vauxhall Grandland, and this auction car. Now this car came in non-starting, and have a look, some work has been done previously, trying to identify the cause of the problem. Interior was a bit dismantled, and it was suspected that the body control module, which is the main module that controls all the electrics on the car, was faulty. It was not the case. After we checked it, we confirmed the problem was the engine control unit. See, in here. So for some reason it blew. I'm not sure. Might be a battery incorrectly connected. It's quite significant, the damage that has caused, nearly catch fire the whole control unit. Now, how much it cost to fix this, and was this worthwhile? When we draw the line, we had to replace engine control unit, and we had to do 2 new keys because we replaced the engine control unit with the second part. A new engine control unit would have cost around £1,500, more or less around that figure from the dealer. We managed to do it with a second-hand part. The part on its own, it costed about £200. We obviously had the investigation and then programming of the new control unit. We also done a software update on the body control module because when we program the engine control unit, we program it to the latest software, and to be in sync, we also done the body control module software update. When we draw the line, all this cost about £1,000. So second-hand control unit, investigation to conclude the problem, programming of the engine control unit, and software update also on the body control module, and 2 keys. So around £1,000 plus VAT. It was a massive risk for the customer because obviously having it not running, it can also be an engine issue. But luckily, we managed to save the cost of the engine control unit, and the total cost on this auction car was about, like I said, 1,000 and a bit plus VAT, and we have this car running, and actually sounds quite good, and it drives quite okay. So I think this gamble paid this time, but auction cars, sometimes they're not always like this.